Welcome to Barangay San Roque! Good day everyone! I'm Sarah Joy Building and we are here in Barangay San Roque to know what is the main problem here in the community.
Hi, I'm Jerome Francisco. So here is the problem that Barangay San Roque is facing. The obesity, and the causes of obesity is the lack of exercise.
Hey everyone, I am Aliberg Hassan. And here are the intervention plans that we come up for this main health problem. So first is the recreational activities. Recreational activities, it can improve our physical and mental, but it also influences our positively on occupational, emotional, and social health as well. The second one is the Zumba. Zumba can help boost our heart and also it becomes physical fit. So that's all for our interventional plan for this health problem, this community of Barangay San Roque.
Hi, I'm John Magdalene Bernardo. These are the examples of intervention plans.